This is one of the XDP Head Stud Kits, which is designed as a replacement and upgrade for the factory head bolts, which are often torqued to yield with a one-time use. In some engines, OEM head bolts can stretch, causing head gasket issues under heavy use. If you're replacing the hardware to complete a cylinder head repair, or you're planning for increased power now or down the road, a set of head studs can be a critical upgrade that benefit many modified and performance-oriented applications. Let's crack open the box and see exactly what's included with these head stud kits. First thing you'll notice is that all of the hardware is packaged in the box to keep it protected during shipping. Inside, you'll find a full set of XDP Chromoly steel head studs along with the matching nuts and washers, plus installation instructions. XDP Head Stud Kits are available for a wide range of Ford Powerstroke, GM Duramax, and Dodge Ram diesel applications. Whether you're repairing, rebuilding, or upgrading your engine, the XDP Head Stud Kits give you the hardware you need to ditch those factory head bolts. Upgrade today and get a set for your truck.